Hey, it's Gob here. Today I was going to show you how to make a blow-up balloon, deflatable too, out of one piece of paper. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is have it long side up, and fold it just like that. Make sure the tip doesn't go too far over or too far off. Okay, and for this part, there's a little flabby part right here. You can either use a pair of scissors or you can just fold it and then just cut it with your hands. But I would recommend you use scissors because it's going to be a little hard when you do it with your hands. So right now I'm just going to cut it off with scissors. Okay, and so something like this, like a Superman cape or something. Okay, and you're going to open it up. There should be a big line in the middle, and you have it on the line side, just like this. And you just fold it up, fold up, top to that corner. Okay, something like this. And then you're gonna open it back up. Make sure it's in. There should be an X in your paper. Big square. And you're gonna fold it hot dog. Make sure it lines up with it. Okay. Something like this you should have. Like this. Okay. Now this part might be a little tricky. You're going to have your paper up, fold it in like this, and then like that. So something like this. Fold it up like that, close it back in. Do the same thing with the side. Okay. Okay, now you should something like this. Both ends are like this, sort of. Okay, now each end you're gonna fold it right up to the tip. For each piece, this should look like a diamond, and do the same thing on the back. And then like this. Okay, now you show something that looks like this, a little diamond. Okay, now with the tips right here, these little tips, each tip you're going to fold it right to the line, that little cut in the middle of the paper, and do it with every part. Well, just the two on both sides. So you have these two like that. Do the same thing on this side. Okay, and okay, so something like this. Now you're gonna, there should be flabby things, just like this. Those two pieces, fold them downward like that. And, under this little sheet right here, there's a little hole in it. Hold on, let me get it open. Okay, and then you're just gonna like tuck it in there, just like that. And then hold it straight down, and it should stay tucked in there like it's supposed to. You're going to do the same thing with this one. Okay? And do the same thing with the back. Fold them down. Okay? Tuck them in. Not that hard. Okay. And for the last piece, okay. Now so something looks like this. That would be your blow-up balloon. Now one tip, it's kind of hard to tell. It'll look like this, the top tip right here. Just go like this and like this. Here goes your big balloon. Just push it on the sides and it will deflate back into your small little diamond. So there you have your blow-up balloon. Like, describe, comment. Thanks. Bye.